I am going to do a reaction video. I have not seen these beforehand, so my reactions are real.
We're going to just go gently, drop into my right hand. It was a bit better. Did that feel like the right thing?
Yes.
Did, eh?
It's good relief.
You got some relief already.
It's Gonstead.
And then just roll towards me.
Nice.
Wasn't that bad, was it?
Teeth together for me and let all your out and relax. Oh yeah.
The good old ring dinger.
You should have felt that all the way down.
Dude.
Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake. Drop this in my hand. There you go. Drop, tilt right. Oh yeah. Crack addicts are gonna love you.
Vai estirando a mão, vai relaxando seu ombro. Ótimo. Muito bom.
Nice.
Vai estirando a mão, relaxa o ombro.
Good. So that looks very specific. I like that.
Good. Okay. 7.
That's an interesting technique. I know this guy. He's a good Gonstead doc. Really good.
Right? It's gone up and out. I'm bringing it down and in. Okay? Okay.
Oh.
It's a lumbar. She said she farted? She didn't say that, did she?
Yeah, just breathe. There we go. Okay, I got it.
So I guess the idea of the ring dinger is to decompress the whole spine.
Okay, stop. Go ahead. Nice and easy.
Looks upper
Good.
cervical.
If Mom and Bro can handle it, I think you can handle it. ASIN. Nice.
And a pelvic adjustment.
There you go. Home run.
Now see, I love this. This is my favorite adjustment right here.
This guy is.
Pretty good separation.
Yeah.
How far did I get it?
Out of the way.
Your fingers right there, good. We'll take our time.
See, I like this. He looks very specific. Lower cervical, upper cervical, mid cervical.
Whoa! Oh, yeah.
Jeez. I'm just feeling where it's going to end, right about there. That's not so bad, right? Good. A little more.
Ow.
There you go.
See, it's a seated cervical. He has the belt over her chest, and so when he makes the thrust, she doesn't go like this. So I know people might be wondering why she had the belt across her chest. That's why.
So we're going to set it as a PRIT. Let's do a transverse contact first. There you go. Nice. And a little tiny bit more. This one's easy.
What I like about this technique is that it's so specific.
Shoulders down, down.
Oh my god. Oh.
Gotcha. Now, I'm going to get, my contact is going to be here. It's tender. I'm going to roll you. Look, my knee is here. You're not going anywhere. Okay? Relaxed, happy place, please.
Happy place.
Gotcha.
Wow, you're so mean.
It's like peeling off a Band-Aid. You don't need a chiropractor to do that, though.
Right here at L5.
There it
We're
is.
gonna do the adjustment.
Dr. Jason.
Deep breath in and out.
Came out of my school, Life West.
That's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
C6. Look up.
Nice. Her face. Didn't learn that one in school. I don't know that one.
野菜ね。頭よ、ぐーっと前。
Wow. Wow. That was general.
Probably a little sore, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yep, there we go. Oh yeah, crack agg's gonna love you. There we go.
Oh.
Deep breaths. Oh, that's already man, that was tight. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are moving before he adjusted her. I'm a big fan of specific adjustments. L5, he's doing the posterior sacrum here, looks like. Nice. I'm guessing it's based on x-rays, I would assume. Alright, so I hope you guys liked that video. It was pretty interesting for me. If you did like the videos, hit that like button, subscribe, comment on the video, tell us which one you liked the most. Have a good one, take care.